America's most advanced defense technology isn't as secret as it used to be. Meet the B-21 Raider, the Pentagon's next generation stealth bomber and future of long-range air power. But here's the real mystery. Why does its cockpit look so different from every other military aircraft? Why are the cockpit windows so strangely shaped? Today we're stepping inside the B-21 Raider's highly secretive cockpit to uncover the engineering decision that could define the future of American air dominance. At first glance, the B-21 cockpit windows look unusually small and almost alien. Compared to the B-2 Spirit, the windshield has a much smoother, teardrop-like shape that is on a design choice for looks. It's all about survival. Cockpit glass deflects radar energy. The larger the windows, the greater the radar signature by making the windows smaller, flatter, and carefully angled. Engineers reduced one more way. Enemy radar could detect the aircraft. Every edge, every curve, and every panel was designed with stealth in mind. Look closer at the center windows. They are angled slightly upward for a very specific reason. During air raid refueling, pilots need a clear view of the refueling bomb extending from the tanker overhead. Those upward facing windows make that delicate maneuver much safer and more precise. The smaller side windows serve another mission. They give pilots better visibility while taxiing on the runway or making high turns on the ground. Exactly when situational awareness matters most. Inside the cockpit, there's another major surprise. Cockpit, old school analog gauges and rows of mechanical dials. The B-21 features a fully digital glass cockpit with massive customizable multifunction displays. Whether the crew is flying at high altitude through pitch black skies or navigating a complex combat mission, these displays deliver the information they need in real time. But here's where things get even crazier. The B-21 is designed as an optionally manned aircraft. That means it normally carries a crew of two, but it's also built to complete mission without anyone on board. In the future, it can fly autonomously or be remotely controlled, giving commanders incredible flexibility for high-risk operations. Even its flight system break with the tradition instead of using conventional file pitot tube sticking out into the airflow. The B-21 reportedly relies on flash-mounted sensors planted into the aircraft surface that keeps the design cleaner, more aerodynamic, and potentially even harder for radar detect. The Air Force also changed the way this bomber was developed. Normal engineers build the aircraft first and test pilots evaluate it afterward. With the B-21 development, engineers and frontline operational pilots worked side by side from the very beginning. That means real combat experience is shaping the software and cockpit design in real time, helping the radar stay several steps ahead of America's biggest rivals. The first operational home of the B-21 Raider will be Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota, where this next generation bomber is expected to begin a new chapter in US air power. Let me know what you think in the comments.